This video has been brought to you by DataVinci Analytics Agency.
Hello, I'm Justin from DataVinci Analytics Agency, and in this video I will be introducing you to Tealium IQ Tag Manager. Now, Tealium has been a very popular tool for the past many years and has been sought after by many big businesses or companies. And you will see in this video why you should choose Tealium as your tag management solution. Now, this is going to be very simple, or is it? Let's find out. So, what are we going to cover in this video? We'll cover some basic topics like what is a tag management platform, what is a customer data platform, what is Tealium or why you should choose Tealium. We'll see what is a Tealium data supply chain and product ecosystem. You will get an overview of Tealium's IQ tag management platform, and also you will see some of the tools and features offered by Tealium. Challenges. What are some of the challenges that businesses face in this current era? So there is fragmented customer data. Customer data is scattered across multiple platforms, departments, and different multiple touch points within a business. Increasing concerns over privacy and data protection regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, which are imposing restrictions on how data is collected, stored, and used. Then there is limited face-to-face interaction. So as face-to-face interactions are decreasing, businesses are facing a challenge in obtaining real-time and contextual information about a customer's preferences, behavior, and sentiment. Then we have data silos and duplication. So data silos within organizations create duplication of customer information, which results in inconsistencies, errors, or inefficiency in managing customer data. Then businesses are also facing challenge in creating a unified customer profile. This is due to fragmented customer data and lack of proper integration. So how is this video going to help you? So in this video, you will get a clear explanation of why you should choose Tealium as your tag management solution or customer data platform. You will see how Tealium's data supply chain works, how Tealium is solving all the challenges or problems I mentioned. And you will also see what are the different tools or features which are offered by Tealium. So, are you ready? If you are, let's go. So, let's start with the basics. What is a tag management platform? A tag management platform is a system or is a software designed to simplify the process of managing and deploying various tags on a website or mobile app. So it basically means it helps in deploying tags and without the need or without much developer support. And what is a tag? Tags are snippets of code that are embedded in a website or app to collect data and send it to third-party tools for analytics, advertising, marketing, or any other purpose. Some of the popular tag management platforms include Helium, Google Tag Manager, Adobe, etc. Now, what is a customer data platform? A customer data platform, or we call it CDP, is a software that aggregates and organizes customer data from various sources into a single unified customer profile. As I mentioned, the data is fragmented, it's scattered across multiple platforms. So, customer data platforms help in unifying the customer data. So, this data will be from multiple channels such as website visits, mobile, email, and social engagements, and even offline interactions. So, finally, what is Tealium and why you should choose Tealium? So Tealium is a first-party customer data platform, which means it connects data from various sources, creating a unified customer profile, which is going to help you in improving segmentation, in better targeting, better speed to market and engagement, while eliminating any data silos or duplication, which helps in achieving a comprehensive and cohesive customer experience. Tealium offers a full stack data orchestration, which means it Its platform includes an tag management solution, an API hub. It includes a customer data platform with powerful machine learning capabilities and a data management solution, thus offering an end-to-end solution across the entire data supply chain. Tealium offers real-time data management. So, Tealium's customer data hub provides all the required tools for collecting, standardizing, transforming, enriching, integrating, and activating customer data in real time. Tealium empowers personalized marketing campaigns. It upholds privacy preferences, it helps in increasing conversion and retention rates, and it optimizes marketing spend. Helium has over 1300 integrations and it powers the tools and technologies which businesses rely on, thus allowing for any unique or any use cases that businesses have. Helium is also known for strong governance and compliance, leading the industry in data security and certification, and are preparing for changing regulations. Helium is also trusted by thousands of innovative and big brands worldwide, and Helium's unparalleled experience in managing data spans across various verticals and geographical locations. Finally, coming to Helium's data supply chain. So, what is a data supply chain? It simply means that how data is collected, stored, processed, and used for gaining insights. So, how Helium's data supply chain works? It has multiple stages, and the first stage is collect. So, Helium gathers information from online and offline sources, and which includes data from websites, apps, email, social engagements, and any kind of offline sources as well. And of course, the more data is collected, the more robust your insights become. The second stage is standardized. So, the collected data is standardized into Helium's data layer, which is a central repository crucial for analytics and marketing. The data then undergoes transformation and enrichment, which basically means that we can modify the existing data points or even introduce new ones to enhance its value. The fourth stage is integrate. So Tealium allows seamless integration with thousands of vendors through various channels, thus creating a versatile landscape for proper data transfer. And the final step will be activate. So it involves activating the enriched data across diverse marketing channels like email, display ads, social media, paid campaigns, thus maximizing the impact for marketing strategy. Next, let me introduce you to Tealium's product ecosystem. So what are the various products and features offered by Tealium to help businesses manage and leverage their customer data effectively? So we have the Tealium IQ Tag Manager, which allows users to manage and deploy tracking tags across various digital properties such as websites, apps, without needing to modify the underlying code or without the need or the help of developers. So it basically simplifies the process of implementing and updating tracking tags or technologies to ensure accurate data collection. Then we have Event Stream. So Event Stream facilitates real-time data streaming by enabling the integration of customer data with various marketing and analytics platforms. So it allows businesses to transmit and process data in real time, enabling immediate actions and insights based on customer interactions. Then we have Audience Stream. So Audience Stream is Tealium's customer data platform that enables businesses to collect, unify, and activate customer data from multiple sources. It helps create detailed customer profiles, segment audiences, and personalize marketing efforts across different channels to enhance customer experience and drive business outcomes or better results. Then we have data access. So data access provides businesses with access to raw, detailed customer data, which is collected and stored within Tealium's platform. It allows organizations to export and analyze this data using their preferred analytics or business intelligence tools to gain deeper insights into customer behavior and trends. Then we have Tealium Predict. So Tealium Predict leverages machine learning capabilities or algorithms to provide predictive analytics within the audience stream CDP. So it helps businesses anticipate customer behavior. It helps identify trends and optimize marketing strategies to drive better outcomes, better results. And lastly, we have functions. So functions within Tealium platform allow users to basically create custom logic or data manipulation rules to tailor data collection. It helps in enrichment and activation process according to their business specific business requirements. So this feature mainly enhances flexibility and customization within Tealium's product ecosystem, and it empowers businesses to adapt to evolving needs and use cases. So in this video, we will be mainly focusing on Tealium IQ Tag Management or IQ Tag Manager, and I will be giving you a walkthrough of the tag management platform to and show you the different features or tools offered by Tealium. So as you can see, we are now in Tealium's IQ Tag Management platform, which is an ultimate tag management solution that gives you access to robust tools for efficiently and securely managing customer data through tags. On the top bar, you will find your account, profile, and version info. You can click on this arrow to view or change any of this info. So first we have the account name. If you have multiple accounts, you will need to select which account you would like to access. Then for each account, you can have multiple profiles which could be used for different purposes or by different departments within your organization. So here you need to select the profile that you would like to access, and finally we have the version. So whenever you make any changes in the tag manager, you will need to publish it to any environment, and once you do that, it creates a new version. So here you can see the current or the latest version, and if you would like to change or go back to any previous version, you can do so by just changing or selecting the version name. Once you're done making the changes, you can click on load version to load that particular version and profile. Then coming to the left hand side, you will see the client side and server side products. So in this video, we are just going to focus on the client side tools or products, which is the tag manager. And the first tab we have is dashboard. This section provides an overview of your Tealium IQ profile. So it includes tag reports, a summary which has the number of variables, number of rules, number of tags, and number of extensions. And it also shows you the recent profile changes that you made on this profile. Then we have data layer. So here you can add, configure, and manage the variables that serve as the foundation for your tag. The data layer helps ensure consistent and accurate data collection across different pages and events on your website or app. Tealium's data layer approach focuses on seamless data collection and preparation, enabling you to utilize it effectively for transmission to external platforms or management systems. So now adding variables is a breeze, as Tealium has integrations with all the major content management systems and e-commerce platforms in the market. So you can select any kind of common variables that are being used. Alternatively, you can simply add variables that are there on your website. So there are multiple types of variables, like UDO variable, which is the universal data layer object variable. Then we have JavaScript variable, first party cookie, query string, and so on. Then we have load rules. So load rules allow you to define and manage business rules for tag execution. So you can simply specify conditions under which tags should be triggered, such as you can select page URL or page path name, query string. You can select the operator, whether that page path should contain or should be equal or should not contain a specific value, and then you just click on done to save that particular rule. So based on this rule, certain tags will fire. Then we have events. So events, which are also known as event listeners, are pre-built configurable JavaScript listeners that track specific visitor actions on pages. These include interactions like click on an element, form submissions, watching YouTube videos, page views, or scrolling on a page, and so on. So these events are crucial for tracking user engagement and user behavior. Then we have tags. So in this section, you can add, configure, and manage tags that track various actions or events on your website. This includes setting up data mappings, defining load rules, and ensuring that tags are correctly deployed to capture relevant data. So Tealium's Tag Marketplace supports over 1,300 turnkey and certified integrations, empowering your team to unlock the full potential of your market stack. Once configured, Tealium IQ provides an intuitive user interface, allowing you to effortlessly understand how your tags are configured and track the flow of data from your data layer to third-party vendors. Then we have extensions. So once data flows into the system, Tealium IQ offers a range of extensions or functions to enhance your data value. Extensions allow you to add, configure, and manage additional functionalities that manipulate data within the Tealium IQ environment. Extensions can enhance the capabilities of your tag management setup and enable advanced data processing and enrichment. Whether it is a lookup table or writing custom JavaScript code, Tealium offers the functionality to manipulate and enhance your data collection. Consent integration. Tealium IQ's consent integration enables a robust enforcement of consent signals captured outside of Tealium IQ Tag Management. This feature ensures that tracking activities are compliant with user consent preferences, blocking tracking when consent is not given or is ambiguous. So as you can see, you can select the vendor that you are using for consent management. You can name the tag, name the integration, and also write a description. Then you will have to select enforcement rule. So this rule will decide when this integration should be enforced or fired on a required page. Then you need to select the published location. So this means that where this integration is published, it could be a production environment or a dev environment. And finally, we have to select the purpose group. So when you select a purpose group, what happens is that you select a purpose which controls what tags are triggered when the consent is given. And then we have the save and publish feature. So once you make all the changes or updates in your tag manager, you will need to publish or save those changes to an environment, right? And there are mainly three environments. We have the QA, dev, and prod. Of course, you can create custom environments as well. In this case, you can name your version, or you can select if this version is supposed to overwrite the current version or create a new version. You can also write some notes or description about what changes you made in this version. And then you will be selecting the location where the changes will be published to. And it also shows the details of the changes that you made. So as of now, there are no changes, but whenever you make changes, it will show you what all changes will be published when you click on the save button. And also on the right hand side, you will see some information about your previous versions that is published by environment. Now coming to client-side tools. So this section provides a standard set of tools which assist you in managing your Tealium deployment. So first we have the browser tools. So Tealium provides all these browser extensions and tools to assist in managing and debugging your Tealium deployment directly within your web browser. These tools offer features such as Tag Assistant or a Web Companion, which helps in validate or troubleshoot Tealium tags deployed on your website. It provides insights into which tags are firing, how data is being collected, and any potential errors or issues. We also have a data layer debugger. It allows you to inspect and debug the data layer, verifying the variables are correctly populated and values are being captured as expected. This tool is invaluable for ensuring data accuracy and consistency. Tag reporting. So in this section, you will be able to see or monitor and analyze the performance of your tags. It will show you how often your tags are being fired or how often visitors are being navigated to your site. So it basically gives you a general view of your tags and its usage. Then we have consent management. So consent management tool enables you to manage user consent preferences and ensure compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. So it basically offers a consent management framework. That is, it provides a framework for capturing, storing, and enforcing user consent preferences regarding data collection and processing activities. So it allows you to define consent policies, track user preferences, and dynamically adjust tag behavior based on consent status. So it also offers a pre-built UI components that facilitate the collection of user consent preference on your website. These widgets can be customized to align with your brand's look and feel and integrated seamlessly into your consent management workflow. This enables you to track consent-related events such as when a user grants or revokes consent or updates their preferences, which allows you to maintain a transparent record of user interactions and demonstrate compliance with relevant regulations. Now, finally, we have client-side versions. So, client-side versions, here you can see or view the saved and published history of your Tealium IQ profile. It allows you to track changes made to your tag configuration over time, and you can also revert to previous versions if needed. So I hope this video was useful and you are now clear on why you should choose Tealium as your tag management platform or customer data platform. I will also be covering how you can create tags, load rules, data mappings, and create extensions and so on in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and may the force be with you.